Finally, we can build websites like this, or this with the AI. You just have to type in your prompt and the AI is going to work for you. And there are many tools out there which can do this for you, but I think right now the best one is Base44. And therefore I'm going to show you today how you can build your very own website with Base44 step by step. So let's go. But before we start, really important, you will find the link to Base44 down here in the video description. You can sign up for free using this link. And at the same time, you're helping me and my channel. So thank you a lot if you're using my link. So simply click on it and it will bring you to this page. And here you can either directly describe your idea or just sign up with Google and your email. And once you've signed up, you will land on this page here. And here you can describe your idea. So I can just go ahead and click on the microphone icon and describe the AI what I want to build. So for this tutorial, I want to build my own website. I'm a YouTuber and of course I need a website where I can display my work, my videos, and I will just describe this to the AI now. Hey there, so I'm a YouTuber and I do tutorials about website creation, about app creation and some marketing tutorials. My name is Julian Weber and I need a website in order to show my tutorials. And for now, a one-pager will be fine, saying hello to the visitor and then showing some of my work. And I will just give you some links now and then just go ahead and build my website for me. And then I just click stop. And now I have a full prompt here. And of course I have some more information. I want my channel to be linked inside the app. So I will have some links here. This is my channel link and these are some videos of my channel. They should be also linked in the app. So I can just go ahead and paste it here. And of course I want my picture on the page. Therefore I will just upload my picture here. Just click on upload, choose your picture, then click on open, and now it's uploading a picture of myself. And I think this is sufficient for the first prompt. After that, we can of course go in and refine the page a little bit more. But now let's click on send it to the AI. And here a little hint, if you describe too much, it can be confusing for the AI. So I'm a big fan of doing it step by step. So first I want the AI to create the homepage and later on we can create more pages. If I'm doing it all at once, sometimes the AI gets confused and hallucinates a little bit and then I have to start over. And of course this is kind of annoying. Therefore I keep it short and simple and with one prompt. And let's see what the AI builds for us. So now Base44 gets to work and the first prompt usually takes the longest because the AI has to build the whole infrastructure of the page. So it's fetching some data and then it needs to build the whole code and the whole server database for the website. So usually the first prompt is always the longest. So while the AI is working on it, I can describe you a little bit more about the interface here. So up here you have your credits, and if you don't see more than 25 credits, it's because you are on the free plan. So when you sign up for Base44, probably via the link down in the description, if you're nice, then you see here the pricing and you can see on the free plan you get 25 credits per month, but there's a little catch to it because you only get 5 credits per day allowance. So your daily allowance is just 5 credits per day, message credits, meaning you can only talk to the AI 5 times a day, which is kind of limiting. And to be honest, I had to upgrade the first day because I was so keen on using the AI. But yeah, you choose your battle. When you are on the free plan, you get 25 message credits and 100 integration credits. So in short, the message credits are for you to build the app and the integration credits are for your visitors of the app to use the app. And yeah, you can just sign up and then you are on the free plan and that's your daily limit, 5 message credits. And if you also notice the sound, this means that the AI finished the prompt. And now let's take a look at the site. Here you can see, hey, I'm Julian Weber. I create tutorials about website creation, app development, and marketing strategies, helping you building your online presence. And that's very nice. And here you can see my latest tutorials. And down here you can learn more. So people can directly click here and then they will land on my YouTube channel, which is quite nice, by the way. So it did exactly that, what I asked it to do. It's not much, to be honest. It could be a little bit more. So when you have more information to share, then you would just go ahead and add another section. For example, I could add a section how many subscribers I have and how many videos I upload per week, for example. So I can go ahead and tell the AI to add a section. So please go ahead and add a section after the hero section, telling the people about my following, saying that I have over 5,600 subscribers and I have already uploaded 348 videos and I upload new videos every week. So let's see what it does with this information. And of course, you can always do better right now because I'm just doing this live. It's not perfect, but let's see. Now it should add a section right here. And it just took a couple of seconds. And here we now have a section saying that I have 5,600 subscribers, how many uploaded videos I have, and when I upload usually. And it looks perfect, to be honest. I just like the look and feel. It looks professional. It looks nice. And you can just go ahead and add more sections now. And of course, sometimes you also just need to add another page, and you can just go ahead and do that as well. So I could just say, hey, please add another page to our website. It should be a contact page with a dummy phone number and a dummy address for now and some dummy opening hours. And next to it should be an input field where people can tell us their name, their email address, and their message, and then they can send us a message. And below all that, there should be Google Maps, and with an address, just take New York, Manhattan for now, and I will add my personal address later of my office. And just go ahead and do that. And of course, add a header with the link to the homepage and to the new contact page. And on the left, please, inside the header, also add a logo and saying julianweber.com for now. And I will add my logo later. So now we can just go ahead and let the AI do this. And you can see it's very easy to do. So you can just go ahead and always talk to the AI and then just send it. And now another credit is used. And of course, you can also add your own pictures. I mean, we've done this with this, and you always have the option here under the plus. You can just upload your pictures, your videos, or any other data, and the AI will make use of it and include it into your website. And down here, you also see the discuss option. And the discuss option is when you just want to ask the AI something without it to do something. So you can just click here, then type something in, and it's kind of the same then talking to ChatGPT. You will get some feedback about your page, and you could be like, for example, oh, how can I add some functionality to my site? How can I add a database? And then the AI will just analyze your current page and then tell you what to do next and how to integrate anything you want. And speaking of integration and functionality, this is the best part about Base44. It's not just a website builder, it's an app builder. So your website can have some functionality. So you can build in some funnels, some quizzes, some app functionality, some automatic, text analyzers, some AI models, some picture generators, whatever you can think of. So Base44 is so powerful. It's not just a website builder, it's really a full integrated app builder. And you can do this by just discussing with the AI what you want to achieve, and then you can go ahead and just describe it. Just deselect the discuss button, type it in, or just use the microphone, and then it will do this for you. So I've seen people building like whole online course platforms for themselves with a guided community, with a chapter through their videos, and with a sign-up flow, an email flow, etc. So you can do pretty much everything with Base44. So now let's see what it did. The header was just there, but it disappeared. Let's refresh. And the header doesn't appear here, but let's see if the contact page is here. So we can go here in the drop down on contact. And now we are on the contact page, and you can see here is the address, and I could just type it in and just give it my address. And here people can send us a message. And down here you also have this cool Google Maps part, and where people can see where our office is. And now, of course, you would type in your address and it will perfectly display everything here. And this input fields, they are not connected right now. So you have two options. Either you can connect it to a database, because when you click on dashboard, you can see that you have your database, and it's currently empty because we didn't build a database yet. And we can just go ahead and tell the AI to connect this input field to a database. But what I also like to do, I just like to forward this message when someone sends me a message directly to my email address. So I could just go ahead and say, hey, please set up a database. Whenever someone sends us a message, it should be stored in the database. And please also just forward this to my personal email address. It's contact@julianweber.com, and just send it to me whenever someone types in a message. And now this is what I meant with built-in functionality. Now it will just go ahead and build some functionality for us. And meanwhile, let's take a closer look at the dashboard. Here you can see the users of your site, and you have some analytics. And later on, you can of course connect your own domain. So either you purchase a domain and just connect it via Base44, or you can also buy the domain via Base44. If you are on the builder plan, you also get a free domain for 1 year. And the best part about Base44, it has a lot of integration integrations. So you can integrate Stripe to accept payments. You can integrate Slack, so you get update notifications for you and your team in Slack. You can connect emails to send out emails with Gmail. You can connect LinkedIn, TikTok, HubSpot, Google Docs, Google Sheets, etc. It's really crazy. Like, the integrations are just growing, and you can also just make your own integrations. So you can set up API calls to some services, and then they connect it to the service for you. And you also have agents and so on. But this is maybe stuff for another video. It might be overwhelming if you just want a website, but I just wanted to show you this, that you have all the possibilities of the new wonderful AI world. You can really go crazy and build more than just a website. But for you, maybe at first you need the database here. Here we now have the contact submission. So whenever someone sends us a message, we will see it here. And of course, if you want to take your website live, you need to also connect your own domain. But now let's go back to the preview and let's publish our site. You can either directly publish it, or you can also share it. So just send a link to your friend or partner, or you just type in the email address and invite them so they can take a look at the site. But I'm okay with publishing the site right now. And let's take a look at the live app. And of course, you get a dummy domain. You probably know that with any other website builder, you always get this kind of dummy domain up here. And now this is the website, and I have built this live in under 10 minutes. It is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. It's really crazy. I still cannot believe that the AI is doing it such a perfect job. Everything is linked. You can also just take a look at the videos. So the videos are all linked, and down here you have a footer. Of course, you need some privacy policy, and you can just integrate it there. But let's check out the contact page if the functionality is working. So when I type in Julian Weber, my email address, contact@julianweber.com, which is my own personal website, and I just want to say hello and then hit send. And now this is perfect. It gives me an error message, so I can just go back into Base44 and debug it and say, hey, I tried out the sending feature, but it gives me this error message. Please, can you fix that? Oh, and by the way, the email address is another one. I will give you the correct one here. So I will just give it the error message, and the email address is, as you've just seen, with a K, because I'm based in Germany and we do write contact differently. So let's go ahead and click send, and now hopefully it's fixing this. And this is the game you have to play with the AI. Sometimes things are not working, and then you just tell it what it doesn't work, and now it's testing it. But now let's check it again. It should fix the bug. Let's publish the app one more time, and then go back to our page, to our contact page. I just need to refresh it and hit send. And now let's see if I received an email. Let's go back to Gmail, and now you can see here the email was forwarded, the name, the email address, and it said hello. So that's perfect. It worked. It's really nice. We have the header, we have the contact page, we can go back to the home page, and the best part, it's also mobile optimized. So when we click here and go to the developer tools, this is how our website now looks on mobile. And I don't know, I don't really have to tell you that this is perfect. It saves you so much time, and you can just go ahead and tell the AI what to do, and it does all the work for you. And of course, you can also always change the design. I tried the functionality yesterday, and I have built this site in the dark mode, and it also looks kind of perfect. So this I really like. I would never be able to do this myself by coding, so I do like the job of the AI. I also here have a contact page, which also looks very professional, and you can always just go ahead and tell the AI what to link here, what to change here, and it will just do that for you. So this was how easy you can build a perfectly looking website in under 10 minutes with the new Base44 AI. If you want to try it out, remember, you will find the link down here in the video description. Just click on it and sign up for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. I will try to answer them all. So thank you for listening, and see you in the next video. Bye.